Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of website planning and creation. And in this video we would be continuing our learning on the different types of module that is available in the standard section. So in the previous video we have learned all about the accordion module. This time we will be seeing how can we use this audio as a module. So suppose if you're having any audio file or any podcast, you can very easily use this audio file. Suppose I want to put a title of an audio file like sample title, and an artist is like album is like, and out here you need to upload your audio file. The audio file can be uploaded from the one of the platform called as SoundCloud. So you can upload your audio file on the SoundCloud, or if you wish to upload the file directly from your local device, you can upload it from here. That is, you can simply click here and upload your file from the media library part, that is in the form of MP3. And once it is being uploaded, you can set a featured image. You can select the modular link, like if someone is clicking on that link, if you want to get them redirected to a page where there might be a collection of all the other sounds, you can use that. And if I need to change the color of the file, suppose I want it to be like this, I can simply change it and name it is like audio. So this was the general setting of the audio file. Let's go to the design section. In the design section, ideally I would suggest you all not to touch these things. These are something related to what would be the circular alignment of the device. Second, image border. If you want to have certain borders among all the section that is about to appear, you can use this. By increasing or decreasing this one, you can select what kind of border do you want to appear, like what thickness. Suppose I've selected right now this. If I would select like this, the border would appear something like this, right? You can see like on the top it is appearing, and the bottom something like this. Or if I'll go like this, right, the border will become like this. So similarly, you can select whichever kind of border you want, and you can select the border color even. And even you can have a shadow effect, like if I need something to be embossed that is coming up, I can simply select it. I can select in terms of hue and the brightness and contrast. Everything are these in the look and feel. So moment you do any changes, and every time you need not need to save and exit and do the preview in order to have a look and feel. You can simply click on this link and you can have a look. See, this is how the module is looking. Right now the border is looking like that because we have selected this one. Let's select this and let the border be something like this. And now let's have a look. How is it appearing? Fine, pretty better than earlier. Now after this you can continue, you can change all these things and keep on having a preview from here to have an understanding how this module works. Now let's put a audio file. So I'll be uploading an audio file which is from my device only. So I'll click from here and click on upload file, select file. So I've just uploaded one file which was an audio which was present on my local device. So I'm just uploading it. So once my file is uploaded, I just simply need to click on this set as audio for this module, and right now I'm having an audio file. So let's save and exit. Okay, before that let me select an image as well for the file, and suppose I want to use this image, set as image, and save and exit. Now let's have a look how this audio module appears on our website. So you can see this is the audio module and this is the URL of the audio device. Once if anyone is clicking on it, so the audio is being played out here. So as on my laptop or as on out here, that I'm not having any inbuilt audio player on my website, so it is shifting to the third-party platform for playing of an audio. Ideally, if I would have uploaded any audio from SoundCloud or stuff like that, then the audio would have played here only. It won't have got redirected. So if you're trying to use this module of sound, then I would suggest you all to use the audio cloud as a platform where you can upload your audio and then you can embed the audio from the SoundCloud out here. So I hope this audio module is clear to you all. So in next video we would be again looking at all the other modules one by one. Thank you.